See, I see where we buy gifts for you. Baby, who dropped this gift for you? Santa Claus.
It's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jane Earl and I'm back with another video for you guys. Oh my lord guys, so this is a continuation video, a continuation of my last video. So after the breakfast, this was the main dish. After that, breakfast, there was no way I was gonna make fried rice and all those brouhahas. I had to go with something simple, man. Which was rice and stew. You don't go wrong with rice and stew. So this was what we had on Christmas Day: rice, stew, and fried plantains. And hubby pounded this yam and made the white soup. Yes, so can your hubby ever? So hubby was the one that pounded the yams and made the white soup. So I did the stew and the rice with the breakfast. Division of labor on the unnecessary. Yes, so guys, I went out on Christmas Day for a spa date with my colleagues. And which I'm going to be sharing that video in another clip. So guys, enjoy the vlog. If this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. Please be kind enough to hit that big red subscribe button below this video and join the family. Do not forget to click on the all notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. God bless you richly, abundantly, for always supporting your girl. I love you. I love you. I love you. Stay blessed and yeah, happy new year again. Okay guys, enjoy the vlog. So before I move to the next clip, I wrapped some gifts for my kids and expecting that they were going to notice it in the morning, but they did not notice it. So I didn't even want to draw their attention to it because like that morning I was really busy. So I was like kind of glad that they did not notice it. So we just left the presents there under the tree. It was later in the evening or in the afternoon or late evening that Bri saw. He said, "Mommy, what is that under the tree?" I was like, "Yay, Santa Claus brought." You say Santa Claus? She was shocked. And her brother was sleeping, so I asked her to wait till her brother woke up before we unwrapped the gifts. So that was that. And this is me just trying to distribute as usual. Like I said in the other clip, I shared I shared breakfast and then I shared lunch for my neighbors and all that. So yeah, so it was me sharing for the family and then sharing for my neighbors too. Yeah, so enjoy the vlog and watch how we unboxed our Christmas gifts. What do you want to drink? What should I give her? Where? This one. See if I see where we buy gifts for them. Baby, please, where's the battery? Mama, should we open your own there? Is it on zip?
Uncle Jenny's okay. Uncle Jenny's okay.
I am really sorry.
Uncle Jenny's
Don't come and start
okay.
flattening me finish.
Uncle Jenny's okay.
JD now! JD, leave my Let's open JD's on. JD, leave my camera. Ah, Basimimpo. You don't all do. I do it on come for me. Should it be like say I can't sleep, Abby? I'm telling you.
No, before the clothes was up.
The clothes was nice. Okay, let's go, let's go. Woo! Baby, please, we need battery.
If I do this.
It's Jaden's on. So, this is the car. Let me come and see the battery. Oh, what do you think is here? You don't know. Who dropped these gifts for you? Santa Claus. My daughter did not see these gifts in the morning. I am tearing.
What about wastage of wrapping paper bits?
What is it? You like it? What is it?
This one.
So let's
Come, shift.
JD, come and leave my phone alone. JD. Hey.
Sit down,
Hey. Careful. Wow. I'll put it. JD, wait.
JD.
Hey. Only one hand you go break her. Mama, don't struggle with him. Wait.
Give him first.
Wait. I'll give you. Where did they put her?
Sit there now.
Where?
Sit there in that place.
Oh. Wait, let him just hold it. Okay, we need battery for Brielle too. Mama, just wait now. Don't cry now. Share. Wait now, Mama. It's okay. Okay. Oh.
But who they buy for you? No, to touch.
Jedi, see your own.
Yeah,
Give me.
Oh yeah, drag it back.
Oh, yeah, go now. He's going to collect it. Give me back. Please, Fortune, come on now, buy batteries. Now, Jenny will look at his own. Jenny, see your own. Yes. Wow. And where's the second one?
I don't know.
Eh?
You look for it now. It's under this. Be sit down.
Yeah, Mama, don't let me wait. Put your hand. Put this hand. No, this hand. Guys, I forgot buy 2 guitar. JD no want in toy in transformer. What I buy? He dey pursue my daughter up and down. See, she don't cry. Just because JD don't JD don't gree me bring touch her guitar. Eh? Hey God. Look at them, what is fun?
How did it turn? She will drop now. I've been talking to Santa, and he told me everything that you want this year. I went shopping and planning, ribbons and candy. I got it all right here. Mistletoe and champagne, I'll pour it on Christmas morning. Everything on your list is waiting if you go looking for it. I know you'll adore it. Your favorite gift. You can find me under the tree. I'll be waiting on Christmas Eve. Baby, unwrap me, unwrap me, unwrap me. You unwrap me, unwrap me, right under the tree. Next to the fire, the snowflakes are falling. I know just what you like. Oh, I guess Santa was listening. He read your wish list. He must have checked it twice. Mistletoe and champagne, I'll pour it on Christmas morning. Everything on your list. Waiting if you go looking for it. I know you'll adore it. Your favorite gift. You can find me under the tree. I'll be waiting on Christmas Eve. Baby, unwrap me, unwrap me, unwrap me. You unwrap me, right under the tree. Right under the tree. You unwrap me, right under the tree. Right under the tree. You unwrap me, right under the tree.
No, it's not yet.
Okay.
But it's not yet.
Living
Mama,
life
do you like your
every
guitar?
day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just get buying everything. See you in the next life, to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an
Jenny don't
x-ray.
like it, it's
What's
so
wrong
fun.
with me? I just feel weight pushing on my
wants it
chest
to
and it
go
squeezes
down.
till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah,
Mama, careful,
all I
that's
need
annoying.
are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, there, glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many